So for this pitch footage, our group decided to create a product or service called RecycLable, which counteracts a major problem on not just our society, but as Earth as a whole, being pollution. So before we get into the product and service, I was going to talk a little bit about the problem that it's addressing. So, as I'm sure many of you know, as the population continues to grow each year, the amount of waste with it continues to grow as well. The average person generates over 4 pounds of trash every day and about 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. One thing that's been created to attempt to counteract that has been recycling, as I'm sure all of you know. And the EPA estimates that 75% of American waste is recyclable, but only 30% of it is actually recycled. So we attempted to find a way to increase this 30% to get closer to that 75%.
Our app solves this problem by making it easy for users to recycle. Oftentimes, people do not recycle because they don't have information about their item and whether it's even accepted or not. Through our app, users can easily find this out through scanning the barcode of their item or taking a photo of it with their camera. The item is then matched with a database of thousands and thousands of products, and the app ultimately tells the end user whether their product can be recycled or not. If it is recyclable, it will then give the user the nearest location which they can dispose of the product. To make the largest impact on recycling, we need to involve everyone. Thus, we've also built in a social aspect in our app to keep users motivated. Users can see how much their friends recycle on the app, and friends can create rankings amongst themselves as to see who recycles the most and make it a little competition.
We believe RecycLable will be a great addition to current alternatives that exist. Right now, the convention for more popular recyclable materials, such as paper and plastic, are waste drop-off centers and public commercial recycle bins that surround public venues. However, what separates the two is that we offer individuals a way to learn how to make better use of the recycled material by also incentivizing them to recycle in the first place. Now, instead of needing to go out of the way to figure out what to do with your used material, creating a system that encourages the participation of large-scale corporate businesses to include and prioritize waste management of their products will help not only reduce waste altogether, but also encourage more use of products being sold.
To encourage people to use our app and recycle waste in a proper way, we will design a point rewarding system on our app and social media. Users will gain points every time they make a correct disposal. Once the points achieves a certain level, they will receive different medal standings and special souvenirs. Users will also receive monthly or yearly report showing their achievements and information about how many people they have defeated in recycling. For companies, we'll award certificates to companies doing well in helping recycling and place medals on their social media accounts.
The ultimate goal of the Recycle app is to transform the way we manage waste in the U.S. by increasing the efficiency and accuracy of garbage disposals. We expect the potential sustainability impact to be an increase of 30% total recycled waste. We believe it would save production and energy costs and increase user convenience. Another potential benefit is that increasing recycling rates will promote job growth. When U.S. recycling level reached 75%, it will generate 1.5 million new jobs in the U.S. The overall objective of the Recycle app is to advocate for greater public participation in recycling and promote greater awareness of the importance of recycling in the community.
Given the increasing relationship of population and waste, we believe we need to revamp and reconsider the way in which we approach waste management and recycling. Through our RecycLable, we hope to do both by encouraging and offering individuals a new way to help save the planet.